Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel and also to my course Windows Server 2016. Course title, Windows Server 2016 Tutorial Series. Course description. In this comprehensive tutorial series, you will learn everything you need to know about Windows Server 2016. From installation and configuration to advanced topics such as network security and virtualization, this course will provide you with step-by-step tutorials and hands-on exercises to help you master Windows Server 2016. Course outline. Introduction to Windows Server 2016. What is Windows Server 2016? Key features and benefits. System requirements and installation. Managing server roles. Installing and configuring server roles. Understanding Active Directory Domain Services (ADDS). Configuring DHCP and DNS. Network administration. Managing network infrastructure. Configuring network adapters and protocols. Implementing network security. Storage solutions. Managing disks and volumes. Understanding storage spaces. Configuring file and folder sharing. Virtualization. Introduction to virtualization. Hyper-V installation and configuration. Creating and managing virtual machines. Remote access and control. Remote desktop services, RDS. Configuring VPN and direct access. Remote management with Windows PowerShell. Security and compliance. Managing user accounts and permissions. Implementing group policy. Configuring auditing and monitoring. Advanced topics. Failover clustering. Storage replica. Containers. Each topic will be presented through step-by-step tutorials and hands-on exercises to ensure a thorough understanding of Windows Server 2016. Additionally, the course will provide full explanations of key concepts and best practices for implementing Windows Server 2016 in a real-world environment. By the end of this course, you will have a comprehensive understanding of Windows Server 2016 and be able to confidently manage and configure your own Windows Server environment.